Welcome back to Event Celebrations. Looking for the newest Dollar Tree Christmas treasures of 2025? Get ready to be amazed. From sparkling holiday decor to viral beauty and gift must-haves, we've found everything you'll love this festive season. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell, because more exciting Dollar Tree Christmas finds are coming your way. 1. Glitter Snowflake Ornaments. These sparkling snowflake ornaments add instant magic to your Christmas tree. Beautiful, lightweight, and only for $1. 2. Mini LED Christmas trees. Perfect for small spaces. These adorable mini trees bring festive cheer to your desk, shelves, or entryway. 3. Holiday Scented Candles. Dollar Tree's Christmas candles smell like cinnamon, pine, and sugar cookies. Perfect for cozy holiday nights. 4th Gift Wrapping Station finds. Grab ribbons, bows, and glitter wrapping paper that make every gift look fancy, all for just a few dollars. 5. Christmas Mug Collection. From Santa mugs to reindeer prints, these cute mugs are perfect for hot cocoa, gifting, or collecting. 6. DIY Craft Supplies. Get creative with craft ribbons, bow snow, and ornaments, perfect for making your own holiday decor. 7. Beauty Gift Sets. Dollar Tree's mini beauty sets are trending. Lip gloss, skincare, and spa items make perfect stocking stuffers. 8. Christmas Kitchen Towels. Add festive vibes to your kitchen with adorable holiday towel sets. Stylish, soft, and super affordable. 9. LED String Lights. These warm fairy lights brighten any corner. Great for decorating trees, mirrors, or bedroom walls. 10. Holiday Plushies. Cute plush snowmen, reindeer, and Santas. Great for gifts or adding charm to your living room. 11. Holiday Greeting Cards. Grab beautifully designed Christmas cards. Thoughtful, elegant, and surprisingly affordable for heartfelt holiday wishes. 12. Decorative Wreaths. Dollar Tree's 2025 wreath collection looks stunning. Add ribbon or ornaments to make them truly yours. 13. Storage bins and gift boxes. Stylish holiday bins help store decorations or wrap gifts, practical and festive at once. Final note, and that's it. These Dollar Tree Christmas finds prove you don't need to spend big to celebrate beautifully. Which item was your favorite? Comment below, like, and subscribe for more festive finds.